I tell people trying to run a modern manufacturing plant without predictive maintenance is like trying to drive at night without your headlights. You would never do it. The headlights are telling you what the hazards are, what the obstacles are that you're about to encounter or collide with on the road.
In the scope of the collaboration with Augury, we're talking about innovation in the industry.
The journey with Augury, to put it just really blunt, is that we have seen immediate value from the introduction of the platform.
Before Augury, our maintenance and reliability work process was very traditional. It's route-based, time-intervaled.
Now that we have data that tells us what's going on with our equipment, we can make exact plans and understand what we need to do to work on to make our equipment run the way it's designed.
המערכת נותנת לנו ניטור של 24/7 ונותנת לנו תמונת מצב של הציוד שלנו בכל רגע נתון. זה שיפר לנו גם את היעילות וגם את הביטחון, שאנחנו לא ניתקע על תקלות שבר.
Whenever we prevent a failure, of course we prevent everything that comes with that. We reduce the amount of labor time, the amount of machine time. We reduce all the inputs that are used into operating the machines, energy, water, of course, gas emissions.
There's no danger that comes from more data. Really, the danger comes from not fully embracing the data that you have and seeing how far you can take it.
I'm just looking forward to other people who can gain in keeping the operations running smooth and not having to deal with the headaches that we have to deal with in the operational world.
This is offering so much value, so quickly, at a relatively low barrier to entry. We should consider our capacity to deliver to be infinite.